पेंजिम डॉल्फिन्सान पहिली वेदांता GFA वुमेन्स फुटबॉल लीग सर्त जिखली. धुळेर स्टेडियमार जाल्ले फायनलींत पेनल्टी शूटआउटाचेर तांणी सांताक्रूज कावेलोसीम सोसाचेर जैत जोडलें. सांताक्रूज कावेलोसीमान पेंजिम डॉल्फिन्साक बरी फायट दिल्ली, पूण पेनल्टी शूटआउटार पेंजिम डॉल्फिन्स वस्ताद थारले.
What would it like to be
loads of pressure? Being a striker is advantage, not being a defender, because if you make 99% good tackles and the 1% tackle is bad, at that point of time you are lost. You are being counted as a from hero to zero.
Really, the positions that the players play in the pressure comes with the territory, as they say, and goalkeepers and defenders' mistakes are often sort of criminal, and they get crucified in the media as well, and at times the people also really don't spare them any criticism, so it's really tough. But that's how sport is, and that's how passionate the environment gets about a game of football. We all love it, we are part of the media, but we also have a right to criticize and acclaim and encourage and promote, and we all do that, especially with the first edition of the GFA Vedanta Football League. There you go, she's taken her stance, she has spread herself quite well, and captain of Konkani. It's a very, very feeble shot, and Canis Michelle is really looking focused and concentrating hard and striking that penalty to the right of Jocelyn D'Souza, who guesses right but just misses the shot, and Penjim Dolphins have scored their first penalty. Take their second penalty, they have missed out on the first. So yes, she can! Linda Cayado is focused on her task, and she side foots the penalty in the corner. Jocelyn has made her way out from the goalkeeper. Oh, what a save! My God, what a save there for Kavalasi. Oh, Karishma Shirvoikar. Cynthia Lobo scored with a wonderful high penalty. Penjim Dolphins goalkeeper Candice Fernandez didn't even have any chance there for Penjim Dolphins. Takes a powerful right shooter, hits the underside of the bar, and it bulges the net. Penjim Dolphins are now the champions of the first Vedanta GFA Women's Football League. Brilliant penalty by a brilliant player.
Great game, a very sporting spirit there by all the players, and nice to see that Penjim really coming up our champions. They deserve it because they had a very good game in the first half. Second half they were not really up to that standard, but then yes, the game was interesting to see.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the 2017 winners of the Vedanta Women's League in association with the Goa Football Association. Can you make some noise for the team here? The champions, here we go, the Penjim Dolphins! The Santa Cruz Club of Cavalosi, the runners-up for the 2017 Vedanta Women's League. The champions, here we go, the Penjim Dolphins!
वास्को बिट्स पिलानी ग्राउंडार अल्टिमेट फ्रिस्बी एक्झिबिशन मॅच जाली. फ्रिस्बी खेळाचो प्रचार करूंक गोवा फ्रिस्बी संघटना आनी भारतीय फ्रिस्बी महासंघटनेन एकठांय मेळून ही मॅच दवरिल्ली. गोंयांत अल्टिमेट फ्रिस्बीक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा म्हूण आयोजक सातिस्वेत.
अल्टिमेट फ्रिस्बी ही फ्लाइंग डिस्क गेम. भारतांत 10 वर्सां फाटीं हो खेळ आयलो. गोंयांत फाटल्या 3-1 वर्सां सावन ह्या खेळान मूळ धरपाक सुरू केला.
We've seen other teams play all around India, and a friend from Mumbai came and introduced it to Goa, and then we formed a team called Nash, and we practice in Kampal every day. And he told us about this sport. It's called Ultimate or Ultimate Frisbee. So they play with as you can see behind me, they play with a flying disc, what's commonly known as a frisbee, and it's 7-a-side. And it's an equal opportunity sport. So if you see the game happening behind me, there'll always be either 3 girls and 4 boys, or 4 girls and 3 boys playing on the line. And it's non-contact. You pass the disc from one side to the other, and if you hold it into the what we call an end zone, then it's a point. So the whole game doesn't have a referee. There's something called the spirit of the game, where you call your own fouls and you solve it amicably. And if there's a dispute, of course, the disc goes back to the previous throw. And at the end of the game, the whole team forms a spirit circle, where you discuss what you liked about the other team, what you didn't like, how much fun you had. And basically, it's just a feel-good sport that brings people together and to have fun. Ultimate in Goa is just building up. We formed an association called the Goa Ultimate Association. And we're trying to get it into schools and into colleges, and basically it traverses across age groups, and whoever comes to play is most welcome.
Is there any support from the Sports Authority of India or Sports of Goa?
Right now, we've approached them once. They've asked us to just to organize more tournaments like this to show that we're building it up, so we can get associated with the Sports Authority of Goa. So it's still a process, and we're hoping that we can get on board, because there's so much of interest amongst school students and college students, and they want to get into it if they see more support also from the government, so from the Sports Authority. So hopefully that happens really soon.
So in Goa, we have a really good organized community of players, especially on the BITS Pilani campus. Lots of students playing Ultimate Frisbee, and also on the beaches in Goa. So Nathan Chaugle and Apu Kothari, these are 2 of the main heads of Goa Ultimate, along with Jonah Diaz. So these are Goans who have a great interest in the sport and want to spread it, and there's lots of young people playing Ultimate Frisbee in Goa. So this particular event is the Goa All-Star game. So it's kind of an exhibition game where they invite players from different cities in India, and then just kind of be a showcase or an exhibition of how Ultimate Frisbee can be. So we're doing that in the field in BITS Pilani, which is I think maintained by Salgaonkar club, the football club in Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.